This side hustle feels illegal to know. I'm going to show you how to use AI to create your own print-on-demand business and start selling your designs. Start by heading to zinva.ai. You can easily create your own t-shirt designs, sticker designs, or even temporary tattoos. You can create awesome designs without having to hire a designer. Just type in a prompt and click generate. Within moments, you'll have a design that you can download. So let's go ahead and download it. And then we're going to head on over to Printify.com. Start by creating a free account. Go ahead and upload your design onto a t-shirt. You can preview how it's going to look. You can set your price, which I'm going to do $29.99. And that will give us a profit of $20.91. Now, in order to sell them, we'll go create a free Etsy account and connect that Etsy account with Printify, and then all of the orders will be fulfilled automatically. Follow me for more ways to make money online. I share them here daily.